So we're at the Churchill War Rooms. We're here talking about kind of demystifying CRM, talking about CX strategy today with our partners Infobip, Boxfusion and Meta.
I think customer engagement is really at its infancy with some huge shifts and trends in technology with agentic AI. There's an enormous amount of opportunity for big companies to make a meaningful impact on how they engage with their customers and how their customers engage with them.
I would say to really start mapping out your customer pain points and opportunities across the whole customer life cycle, from awareness, discovery to post-purchase. If you start with customer pain points, you're really going to open up the opportunities to success.
It's exciting to be here at this venue, iconic venue, and excited to hear the other speakers. We've got a great lineup today. I'm looking forward to briefly telling our story and how we've been helping customers for the last 15 years with CRM technology.
So the event's been really good. It really opens your eye up on how you can utilise chatbots and agentic AI as a complementary tool compared to as a replacement of the human element.
Oh, it's been really interesting. Look, it's a topic that's getting more and more complex. Well, I think taking some of the things that we've learned today and thinking about how it'll apply to the businesses I'm working with.